expedition is finally going to the paint shop. Let's load it up on the trailer and take it to South Carolina. Dropped off the expedition. Today is Monday, and the guy said that he should be able to knock it out by Saturday, which is crazy, but awesome. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully on Saturday or Sunday or even Monday we'll pick it back up from South Carolina and start assembling it. On my way to South Carolina to pick up the expedition from the paint booth. I'm excited and nervous at the same time because I really hope it looks as good as it does in the pictures. But I guess we'll see when we get there. Hopefully it looks good. I don't see why it wouldn't. This guy's done work before and it turned out really good, so we'll see how it goes. There it is, guys. All one color. Well, this side wasn't painted, but this whole side was painted, and the roof. All looks good. There was some body damage on the doors. Everything looks straight. Color matches perfect. You can see the pearls. It's looking good. If you need any body work or frame work or paint work or anything like that, check out Roman's Custom Garage. He's located in South Carolina, which is not bad. It's only an hour drive, or a little bit less than an hour drive for me, but it was worth it. He knocked it out in less than a week. It would have been quicker, but he said that because the paint was so fresh on Friday, he wanted to wait a couple more days before he buffed it slightly. But everything looks good. The rest of the parts are in the back of the van. So I've got both bumpers and the side steps. I wanted to color match the side steps. That's gonna look much better. But alright, let's bring it home and assemble it and start driving it. Alright, so it's been a couple of days and I've had the car at home and I did some assembling. It's very dirty on the inside, but it's somewhat complete in here. I've got the sunroof in, the headliner in, seat belts, even that rear door is assembled. So I'm trying to complete the interior first and then move on to the exterior. So this door was just a shell and now it's a working door, fully assembled, but it was just a shell, just like this front one here, completely empty. But the dash is bolted in fully. The center console is not, but it will be. I'm going to vacuum it one more time and assemble the interior, but I want to get this door knocked out first so I have a window that's closed, so that way the car is sealed from any rain or stuff like that. So I've got a old door here. Gotta strip it down and assemble the new door. So let's get to work. This passenger front door got tore up. I really thought it was in better shape. So far, this door stop right here I can't use because it's broken. Hopefully that's the only thing that's messed up. I really hope the window regulator and everything is still good, especially the rail over here close to the main damage. But this door got twisted everywhere. It broke right there. So I'll have to cut this thing open to get the window regulator out and the wiring. The wiring here got pinched, but the wiring's okay. Sometimes you just have to cut a door open to get some stuff out of it. But I do have to say, that's where the wiring harness was. I had to cut all that out. But it's very satisfying cutting aluminum. It cuts really nice. I use the wheel air tool and a sawzall. But it cuts really nice. I enjoy cutting aluminum, and it's pretty thick and it cuts like butter. Alright, hopefully, looks like the window regulator is in good shape, but I'm hoping that this door handle situation is gonna be okay as well. But I'm surprised the window regulator survived all that. The door got pretty tore up in that corner especially. But this door handle, I'm hoping it's good. We'll see. The rear door handle was good, and it works flawlessly. Door handle is in. Oh snap. Oops. Yeah, but I definitely recommend buying complete doors if you're doing salvage rebuilds, because you'll save so much time and money probably. It just wasn't an option for me at the time when I was shopping for doors, but if I had an option to buy some complete doors, I definitely would. It just wasn't an option, but it is what it is. I'm glad this door handle survived. Well, I had to buy the outer door handles, front and rear door, and they're pretty pricey. I paid like 180 bucks per handle, but the inside of the door handle survived, so I'm glad I didn't have to buy the full assembly. But yeah, it's getting close. Let's get this door assembled and carry on with the rest of the car. And just like that, the car is about 95% complete. I'm missing this chrome molding here. I ordered one, but they sent me the wrong one. They sent one for the rear door, so I'll have to get that. I have the fender liners that I didn't install yet, and it needs alignment, inspection, all the good stuff to make it street legal. But it's looking good.